In this tutorial we will learn how to get real time and date from the NIST Internet Time server using StickC board. For this tutorial you will need a StickC board and Internet Wi-Fi connection. Start Visuino and select M5Stack StickC board. First we need to set up the Wi-Fi connection and add the URL for the NIST Time server. Select Modules, Wi-Fi, Connect to Access Points, and click on the three dots. Drag Wi-Fi access point to the left side. Select Access Point 1 on the left and in the Properties window set your Wi-Fi access name and password. Select Sockets and click on the three dots. Drag TCP client to the left side. Select TCP client 1 on the left side and in the Properties window set the URL and port to 37. Select M5Stack StickC and in the Properties window select Modules Display ST7735 Elements and click on the three dots. Expand text and drag Draw Text to the left side. Select Draw Text 1 and set text to Date and Time. Set size to 2 and set the color. Drag text field to the left. Select text field 1 and set size to 2 and Y to 10 and set the color. Drag text field to the left. Select text field 2 and set size to 2 and Y to 30. Set orientation to go right. Add pulse generator component and set frequency to 0.11666667. Add Internet Time component. Add Delete Write Subtext component. Select Delete Write Text 1 and set length to 13. Add Delete Left Subtext component. Add Delete Write Subtext component. Select delete right text 2 and set length to 5. Add delete left subtext component. Select delete left text 2 and set length to 12. Connect pulse generator 1 pin out to internet time 1 pin clock. Connect internet time 1 pin socket to StickC TCP client 1 pin in. Connect internet time 1 pin out to delete write text 1 and delete write text 2 pin in. Connect delete write text 1 pin out to delete left text 1 in. Connect delete write text 2 pin out to delete left text 2 in. Connect delete left text 1 pin out to StickC text field 1 pin in. Connect delete left text 2 pin out to StickC text field 2 pin in. Click Send to Arduino button. In Arduino, click on the Upload button.